Welcome to Vedanta's Vizag General Cargo Berth Private Limited, situated in the city of Destiny. Vedanta's Vizag General Cargo business has a remarkable growth journey to share. The Vizag General Cargo Berth Private Limited has been awarded the General Cargo Berth at Outer Harbour of Visakhapatnam Port for mechanization of coal handling facilities and upgradation for handling of coking coal and steam coal through private-public participation for 30 years concession period effective from October 2010. This project is one of the measures planned by VPT to reduce coal dust pollution in the port. VGCB is one of the largest, state-of-art, deep-drafted and fully mechanized coal handling terminal with a capacity of 10.18 MTPA. It is equipped with 3 ship unloaders, each having a capacity of 2500 TPH, 2 stacker cum reclaimers with a capacity of 6200 TPH and 4000 respectively, and double stream conveyors of 2.5 kilometers, each having the stacking capacity to convey 3100 TPH. Our operations start right from unloading of coal from the vessels, storage of the imported coal at our stackyard, and dispatching coal through rail and road. VGCB has the deepest berth capable of berthing vessels up to 2 lakh DWT capacity. With the fastest turnaround time of 1.5 days for Cape-size vessels and 1 day for Panamax, VGCB is supporting the customers with minimal pre-berthing delay and better freight from charter parties due to faster discharge. VGCB has its dedicated railway siding equipped with rapid wagon loading system to load rakes with a quick turnaround time of 3 hours, which is best in class. Independent in-motion weighbridge duly approved by the Meteorology Department. Fully automated dust suppression systems. Best in-house system with zero handling loss. Our central control room, the heart of VGCB, is well equipped with the right technology and the right set of human resources. The project Mechanization of General Cargo Berth at Visakhapatnam Port for coal handling is in itself an environmental management program. VGCB is an eco-friendly facility. We aim to preserve the health of the natural environment in and around our operations and are committed to minimize the impact on environment. Our operations are certified to the International Environment Standards ISO 14001. The pollution control and abatement measures implemented at VGCB are operation of mechanized dust suppression system on PNC, auto mode to wet coal heaps and prevent dust emanating from coal stackyard. Dry fogging, dust suppression systems in place at ship unloaders, transfer houses and rapid wagon loading stations to suppress dust during discharge into the hoppers and conveying to stackyard. In addition to this, mist cannons are installed on each SUL to act as active dust suppression system. An area of about 3.9 acres within the premises is developed with green belt. A total of 5,200 saplings have been planted till date. VGCB's plant boundaries are well secured with 24/7 CCTV surveillance. Our strong security team has excelled in the fields of intelligence, digitization and external licensing. Our core values of trust, care, integrity, respect, excellence, innovation and entrepreneurship is that which defines VGCB.
वेदांता देश की जरूरतों के लिए